Ladies and gentlemen, I hope everybody's doing good. This is your boy Flyers from Flyers Bassing. I hope everybody's doing good, staying fly and healthy. I'm out here on a special trip with someone special, and we're gonna go out here and experience something that I've never experienced. Go fishing in a boat for freshwater fishing. But we're gonna be actually going for a specific species that I've been really chasing around for a little while. I did catch up north earlier this year, and I'm hoping that out here in Pennsylvania we can catch them and see if we can get on them this morning. So I hope everybody's doing good. Wanted to say hello and remind you not to forget to like this video, subscribe, write a comment down in the section below if you like this content, and I'll see you guys out on the water. Wow, he actually made it. Unbelievable. Look who's here, guys. Wow, look who's here.
Oh, wow.
What a surprise.
Alright, see ya.
Alright, see you.
Guys.
Good seeing you. Hey, he came and he went. Yo, what a beautiful, like the fog over that bridge, you know?
Come up in here,
It's just a different type of fish.
here's your answer on that jet, you know, come playing around in here.
What a beautiful day, huh?
This is serious smallmouth fishing right here. Pitching.
Pitching. What a beautiful day though, huh?
Beautiful.
I mean, look
If
at
we don't catch anything,
everything.
at least the day was nice.
Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to make the first cast. We are using the Ned rig with, looks like a little beaver lure, beaver bait on a Ned rig. So, and then Mike is throwing the same thing with a green pumpkin color. That's more of a little turd.
Go ahead and try it. Straight out.
Ready?
Yep, go ahead. Cast over.
Oh God, that was too short.
Yeah, you got to figure it all out. Perfect. Now let it sink. Let it get bottom. Bottom. Good cast right there. There you go. Now close your balance. Get that line out of that current. There you go. Now let it kind of sink. Drop your rod for a second. All right, now gather it back up. Now get in touch with it. Should be all feel the bottom. Feel the bottom there?
Yep, now I do, yep.
Let it work down. Go ahead and just kind of move it the whole time as you go. You're right in the eddy, it already moves. Once you get to there, reel it up. You're out of it. Yeah, watch out, the fish, hit him.
Oh, I lost him. Yep, that was definitely a fish. Yep,
yeah,
saw it?
you pulled your skirt down.
Yep. Pull my pants down. Come on.
Freshwater, guys.
That's all right.
It's all good. We got our first bite though.
What?
Oh, you got him. You got him. You got him. Oh yeah.
You got a walleye.
It looks like a walleye, yeah.
Good stuff.
Oh,
my God.
what is that? A little fall fish?
Yeah.
Looks like a little fall fish. Let's go.
That's how you know you're sitting on the
Whoa, what are you doing?
Bro, you catching the wrong shit, bro.
Oh man.
Look how big that fall fish is, though.
What is that?
It's a fall fish.
What do you mean? It's fall right now. What are you talking about?
That's why, yeah. He's in the fall.
It's a fish in the fall. Like that.
It's a fucking sucker.
That's what it's called, the fucking fall fish.
That's how you know it's bad.
Let's go.
Alright, so at least I got a.
Hey, you got one.
Got the line tight.
Hey, you know what? At least we know where you were in the bottom.
Yeah, that means I'm in the bottom, right?
I thought it was a walleye. I got.
It looked like a walleye for a second coming in.
That means I was not moving it enough?
No, nothing doesn't mean anything.
Oh, alright.
To me, it means you're in the zone. You're down there.
Perfect.
Yep. Holy shit. You can't imagine how that thing got stuck in there.
That's not, you know.
Oh, yep.
Oh, what you got?
Definitely had a fish.
There you go. This is the spot.
There's one. Nice, bro. Nice.
Smalley.
Feel the light? Good. Nice. Good job.
Ah,
Bro.
baby.
Go.
Cool looking color
Oh,
on
he
it.
chomped it.
He felt the bite and he got him, right?
Yep.
Nice. Look at that hook set right
Nice.
there.
That's
Perfect.
That's doesn't get any better than that. That's how you take the kid to school right there.
That was that fish, dude, that I just missed.
Hey, buddy, look.
They look like.
Nice.
Let's go, baby.
Getting a little better, a little bit, you know.
Yeah.
Dude, that was nice.
Beautiful
That
fish.
was God good, right? Got him too. Yes, sir.
Oh, I lost them. Damn.
You're gonna get bit.
I know, that was like a
Saw you were
perfect,
in there.
perfect spot, yeah.
Oh,
That was a good one. Oh my God.
Oh no, that was a rock. That was a rock.
got him?
Get him, boy.
Yeah, boys.
Nice.
Now we're going.
Oh my God, I lost them again.
Bro, check your hook. Make sure it's still that sharp. It didn't get that hook.
It's no, it's super sharp. They just taking it and running, so had to catch up to that one.
Get him, bro. Get him.
There you go.
Stick him.
Got him this time, buddy. Nice. Lift him right up there.
Not a baby.
Yes.
Good one, buddy.
Nice.
I was getting those bites, man.
Yeah, man.
Let's go.
Looks cool too. Here, let me get a picture of it. Keep the pictures coming so I can weed them out.
Yes, sir.
It's got the old bent tail.
Let's get them more. Let's get
You seem to have
more.
a spot you're picking them out of. There's somewhere over
Yeah,
here.
there's a little spot right here.
Yeah, you're getting quite almost the same.
Right here, right here.
and choosy the day's become, you know what I mean?
No, absolutely.
Hoping to do like problems like any predator fish.
Everybody lives here.
Look at this area where we're at, guys.
Beautiful. You guys ever hear of Ringing Rocks Park? So what it is, it's right at the top of this hill. So the glacier cutting that cliff out. And then it's deposited like rocks that are like...
I always say it's a
Yep, you could. Throw it in there, yep.
How far up?
Not too far. You can see the brown under there. That's rock. Yep. And it's deep. Let it sink in there. Hit him, hit him.
Oh
I
yeah,
saw that.
yeah. No, he didn't take it. He didn't take it though. He just smashed it. No, he just smashed it. He didn't take it.
It's all good. Just get it. You got one bite, you'll get another one.
Yeah.
They're in there. Reel it in, Mike. Get back in that eddy. That was him?
Yeah, something.
They should be loaded in there. Come on now. Get him. Get him, bro. He's been on there a long time. Oh, it is a nicer one.
It's a good one.
Oh!
Good one, buddy.
He was on there a while.
Good one.
Go easy, go
Don't
easy.
mess around.
Let him.
It's like a tuna.
He is.
He's circling like a
Get
tuna.
the can.
Yeah,
Let's
boy.
go.
Nice, bro. Nice.
Let's go. That's a nice one right there.
Yeah.
Mikey, take a picture.
Take a picture of him. Spin around so you get the sun.
I got you.
Like that.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate that.
Nice job.
All right, send them back out there.
Way out. Yeah, go. Perfect. Good. Wherever we get up on there, you'll see them rocks. You got probably another 20 feet before we get to them rocks.
Ooh.
Got him, Mike? You're good right there. Got him? Yeah, you got him. Getting bigger too, ain't it? Oh yeah.
It's a decent one too.
Fucking hey. Got him hooked like crooked. Yeah, you go. Nice fish, bro.
Let's go, baby.
Nice.
Look at the patterns on that
I
one.
know. Beautiful.
Wow. Gorgeous. Oh, I mean that's a decent hook set, no? Oh, Mikey's got one.
Big ass.
Oh, it's a walleye. It's a walleye. Look at that. Holy smokes. Dude, that's a nice one.
That's a good one.
Dude, look
It's got all
at it.
kinds
Ew, it's
of
got some
swords.
warts and stuff.
I don't even want to touch that thing.
Well, we gotta do a picture doubled up, dude.
I ain't
Yeah,
touching
no,
that
we
thing.
got it.
Come on, dude. Oh my God, look at the warts.
We'll hold the other side of them. That's all. Look at the picture.
Look at those eyes. This one's bugged out.
Wow, that's an old one, I
There,
think.
so you just hold them like that. Both of you go over there. You hold that.
Yeah.
Take the hook. Yeah, just take it out.
Yeah. Hold them wood side towards you. So it doesn't look like
Exactly.
There we go.
So now I'm like, take a picture of me. Hold on. There we go. Way better.
Let's go.
Yeah. Good job, boy.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, man. Nice.
Let's go, baby. Hold on, let's get the release of that sucker.
You wanna get the release?
Oh my god, that's insane. Goodbye.
Bye, buddy.
Woo, that was so cool, dog.
Nice.
Let's
Thank
go.
you, sir.
Good job, buddy.
Good shit, baby.
That was so sick. He hit it on the way in too, right? You were reeling it in?
Yeah, maybe that.
Oh, he hit it on the reel. You can see right here, right there, it's a big rock. So reel it in a little bit.
Gotcha.
And then, yeah, you'll be good there. You see it down there?
Yep,
The
yep,
big brown mark.
yep.
So the fish will lay in front of it and behind it.
Oh, that was a fish.
You got him.
Oh!
I think that was a jumbo.
Yeah, that felt
think
like
that
a
was a
big
jumbo.
one. That felt like a big one.
That was a jumbo.
Is it shallow?
You're okay. Like, there's a couple big rocks all the way up here. Back here where it's straight in front of you.
We're fishing this way.
Yeah. About 4 feet in there. Up here, there's a few big rocks, so as we drop back, it's about 4 feet. There you go.
Are you kidding me right
Nice.
now?
Nice, bro.
Are you kidding me?
Nice. Nice.
Oh, it's
Walleye, baby! Hey, 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 hey.
That's a good looking one. Very healthy.
Let's go.
That's like a sandwich fish right there.
Let's get back in there.